Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to our online Quran and Islamic studies class. Inshallah, in today's lesson, we are going to be talking about the letters of prolongation, which simply means long vowel sounds. So initially, we've been talking about, or let me say, we've talked about the short vowel sounds, which includes fatha, kasra, and doma. So and consent letters sign. So now today, what would happen to all these signs that will make us prolong or elongate them? So that's what we want to talk about. Now, initially we talk about ba fatha ba. What could happen to it that will make us to read it as ba. What about ba doma bu? What would happen that will make us to read bu? What about doma? What would happen to it kesra that will make us read b? So that's what we want to talk about today, inshallah rahman. If you can see any place or anywhere you see alif or fatha, then the next thing after fatha, any alphabet with fatha, the next thing after it is alif. That's what we want to talk about. Or any place you see doma and the next thing after it is wa, that's what we want to talk about today. Any place you see kesro and you see the next thing after it is ya, that's what we want to talk about today, inshallah rahman. So as you can see on my screen, excuse me. So as you can see on my screen, this is this alif here is called alif mad. Why? Because the alphabet or the letter here, you can see fatha above it. So if you can see any alphabet and the sign above it is, or the sign on it is fatha, that alif here is called alif madi. This is how you say it: amza fatha alif madi, which equals to amza fatha plus alif madi equals to let's go to duma. Amza duma waw madi u. Amza kesro ya madi e. What does this mean? Fatha and alif, they work together. Duma and wow, they work together. Kesro and yeah, they work together. Anything aside this not, it has nothing to do with this. It is another thing entirely. So Amza Duma, Alif Duma Waw Madi, U, Alif Kesro Yaw Madi, E, Ha Duma Waw Madi, Hu, Ha Kesro Yaw Madi, He, Ha Fatha Alif Madi, Ha Ain Fatha Alif Madi, A, Ain Duma Waw Madi, U, Ain Kesro Ya Madi, I, Ha Fatha Alif Madi, Ha. The next line says Ha Kesro Ya Madi, He, Ha Duma Waw Madi, Hu, Ghain Duma Waw Madi, Gu. It is two times. Gu. Going Fatha Alif Madi, Gha, Ghain Kesro Ya Madi, Ghi, Kha Kesro Ya Madi, Khi. You need to have mastered the short vowel sound so that you will not be mixing it together with this long vowel sound, because if you did not master the previous lessons that includes Fatha, Kesra, and Duma, you'll be mixing it together with this long vowel sound and you'll be reading wrongly, or you'll be reading Quran wrongly. So you need to take note about that. Kha Fatha Alif Madi, Kha, Kha Duma Wa Madi, Khu, Qaf Fatha Alif Madi, Qa,